Abhilash Ganesh Kaunikar, and today's video topic is that encapsulation in Java. Okay, so today we have to discuss about that what is an encapsulation, what is the advantages of that encapsulation, what is the disadvantages of that encapsulation. Okay, so let us start our video. So it is an encapsulation. So the encapsulation in a Java is like a process that that is like a wrapping of that data, some data, and that data together into a single unit. Okay, so for example, that the capsule which is mixed of that several medicines. Okay, we can create a fully encapsulated classes in that making all that data members of that class private. Okay, so now we will be can use that like a setter and getter methods to set and get that the data in it into the program. Okay, so that the like a Java bean classes is an like an example of that fully encapsulated classes. So we will discuss about the some like advantages of that encapsulation. Okay, so by providing only the setter or getter methods, you can make that the class is like a read only, and it may be like a write only. So in we have to say in other words, like you can skip that the getter and setter methods. Okay, so it it will be like a provides you that the control over the data. Suppose you want to the set the values of that id which is which should be that greater than the 100 only, and you can write the logic inside that the setter method. You can write the uh, like logic not to that store the negative numbers in that setter method. Okay, so it is a way to achieve that data hiding in Java, because that the other classes will not be able to access that the data through that the private data members. Okay, so the encapsulate class is like a easy to test. So it is better for that unit testing. So the standards IDs are providing that the facility to generate that the getters and setters. Okay, so it is like a easy and fast to create an encapsulated classes in Java. Okay, so uh, it will be some simple example of that encapsulation in Java. So if we have to create one class like a public class to in that we have to write down like one data private data member, like a private string name. So and we have to call it as the getter method for that name, uh, like a public string get name method, and in that we have to write down like a return a name. Okay, so and after that we have to call it as a setter method for a name, that is like a public void set name. In that method pass a parameter like a string name. So in that method we have to write down that like instance variable like this dot name equal to name. Okay, so this is an example of that how to define an encapsulation, or you can be also saying as that how to define it getter and setter methods. Okay, So the encapsulation is the one way to we have to call it as like a getter and setter method. Okay. And it will be like written that get getter method. Okay, so that's all about it.